Hello everyone. Today we have a special program. We will be asking some people, endless people. We will ask them to give us some advice about life since they are very experienced. I'm sure you are going to love this video. So pay attention. Let's start this video.
Good morning, Ram. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? It will only take a minute.
Hello, swear. I am going to meeting, but I suppose I have some minutes. Tell me.
Thank you. What advice would you give us about life of the could be useful to us?
Advice about life. Well, I am 32 years old. I had a long life. Well, I can tell you stay active. Keep moving and stay physically active because regular exercise help keep your body strong and healthy. You don't need to do heavy workout. Walking, gardening or live streaming are good way to stay active. Physical activity improves mood and energy level and help to sleep better at night. So execute. Do not forget that you will thank you for future. Believe me.
That sound really useful. On more, please. You want more advice about life, please.
Oh, stay connected, maintain strong relationship with family and friends. Social connections are important for emotional health. Spend time with loved ones, join club or groups, and participate in communicative activities. Having a support network can make a big difference in your happiness and well-being. Some do not give. It is the importance to desires, but maintaining good social relationship helps us be happy. To believe me, finally take care of your mental health. Pay attention to your keep mentality health and manage. Students protects practice relation techniques like deep breathing, meditation or yoga. Stay positivity and focus on your good things in life. If you feel overwhelmed or depressive, do not hesitate to walk to someone you trust or skip personally help. Oh, I have to go now.
Yeah, swear you really appreciated you giving us some form time. Thank you so much. That was really useful. I like it to us find other illiterate person. Hello, excuse me, do you have a minute? I just need to ask you a question, please.
Hello, I suppose I can help you. Tell me what is your question?
Thank you. What advice would you give us about life that could you useful for us?
Oh, all right. I am 29 years old. Advise will get regular checkup. Visit your doctor regularly for checkup or screening. Early dedication of health issue can make treatment for effectively. Me, I can seek now. I don't give you details, but please get regular checkup and follow a doctor advice and take your personal medicines are direct keeping track of your health. Can you help stay well and active for longer? Very useful. You want to most fashionably sure, plan your carefully and save your future. Make a budget and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary debate for and spend. Visually very important having financial secret can reduce stress and allow you to enjoy your retirement year without worry. Consider speaking with a financial advisor. If you need help with planning, I was also tips field of making a budget before, but I understand that it is very important. Finally, travel if you can. If you have an opportunity, travel and see the place. Traveling can be exciting and broadens your horizons. It does not have a far, even short trip to neighbor place can be enjoyable. Traveling can also be a great way to spend time with loved ones and create a wonder memorial. So travel if you can.
What was really helpful. Thank you very much. I hope you have a excellent day, sir. Hello, excuse me. Can I ask a question, please?
Question. Okay. What is your question? Tell me.
Thank you. What advice would you give us about life that could be useful to me?
Hmm. Okay, I think there's sometimes some things important you should learn about life. Accept change, accept that life changes, and be adaptable again bring change. And it's important to embrace them rather than recent focus on what you can control and let go to the what you can be. Flexible and also new experience can make life more enjoyable. One more thing, reflect on life. That time to reflect your life and you have achievement be proud of that. You have accomplished and learned from your experience. Sharing your stories and wisdom with other can be rewarding and help learn from your life. Please embrace simplicity. Simplify your life by focusing on what truly matter. Let's go of necessary positions and culture simplify can reduce stress and make it easier to find joy in small things. Living simplify allow you to enjoy life more fully appreciated what you have. Finally, focus on present. Very important. Focus on present moment and enjoy it. Worry too much about the past or future can. That way, from the enjoy of new, now practice mindfulness and appreciated the beauty of each day. Living in present help reduce stress and increase happiness. Believe me. Well, I think that's all. There is a lots of more advice I would like to give you, but guess we don't have time.
You are right, but you can make a new live advance video if you want. Let you know, guys.
If you have advice you want to give, please write in comment box. I hope you like this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, thank you very much of your support. Take care. Bye bye.